Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will present about sequence, series, and trigonometry. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Ema Amalia Shaliha, NPM 5. Okay, at the first, I will present about sequence. And number 1, arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence of the number with a constant difference or difference between two consecutive terms. The difference between two consecutive terms is d. d equals to u sub 2 minus u sub 1 equals to u sub 3 minus u sub 2 equals to u sub n minus u sub n minus 1. The formula for the n term of the arithmetic sequence is u sub n equals to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Information: u sub n equals to the n term, a equals to the first term or u sub 1, and d equals to different, n equals to number of terms. Example: find the 20th term from the sequence 9, 5, 1, minus 3. The answer: the first term equals to 9, difference equals to 5 minus 9 equals to minus 4. Then the 20th term is u sub n equals to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. u sub 20 equals to 9 plus 20 minus 1 times minus 4. And then u sub 20 equals to 9 plus 19 times minus 4. And then u sub 20 equals to 19 plus minus 76. And then u sub 20 equals to minus 67. So the 20th term of the sequence is minus 7. And next, number 2 is geometry sequence. Geometry sequence is a sequence where the ratio between two consecutive terms always constant. The comparator of these two consecutive terms is called the ratio, which is written as r equals to u sub n divided by u sub n minus 1. The formula for the n term of a geometric sequence is u sub n equals to a times r upper n minus 1. Example: given the geometric sequence 2, 6, 28, 54, determine the x term of the sequence. The answer: the first term a equals to 2, and the ratio r equals to u sub 2 divided by u sub 1 equals to 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. And then u sub n equals to a upper n minus 1. So u sub a equals to 2 times 3 upper a minus 1. u sub a equals to 2 times 3 upper 7. u sub a equals to 4,374. So the x term of the sequence is 4,374. The next, the second is series. Number 1, arithmetic series. Arithmetic series is the sum of the term of the arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic series for the first n term is denoted by the following formula S sub n. S sub n equals to n divided by 2 times a plus u sub n, or S sub n equals to n divided by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Example: determine the sum of the first 9 terms in the series 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus blah blah blah. The answer is obtained: a equals to 2, d equals to 3, n equals to 10. So S sub n equals to n divided by 2 times 2a plus n minus d times d. So S sub 10 equals to 10 divided by 2 times 2 times 2 plus 10 minus 1 times 3 equals to 5 times 4 plus 27. So S sub 10 equals to 5 times 31 equals to 155. So the sum of the first 10 term is 155. And the number 2 is geometry series. is the sum of the term of the geometry sequence. Geometry series for the first n term is denoted by the following formula S sub n. S sub n equals to A times R upper n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 for R more than 1, or S sub n equals to A times 1 minus R upper n divided by 1 minus R for R less than 1. Example, find the sum of the first 8 terms in the series 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus blah blah blah. The answer is obtain A equals to 1 and R equals to 2 divided by 1 equals to 2. So S sub n equals to A times R upper n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So S sub A equals to 1 times 2 upper A minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 equals to 2 upper A minus 1 equals to 255. So the sum of the first 8 terms in the series is 255. And the third is trigonometry. When you have a right triangle, there are 5 things we can know about it. The length of the side A, B, and C, and the measure of the acute angle A and B, like this picture. And some terminology. The hypotenuse will always be the long side and the opposite from the right angle. The opposite side is the side directly across from the angle you are considering, or angle A. The adjacent side is the side next to angle or you are considering. The trigonometry function. Here is a way to remember how to make the 3 basic trigonometry ratio. SOHCAHTOA is pronounced SOHCAHTOA, and its mean sin is opposite over hypotenuse, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, tan is opposite over adjacent. And in the beside is perfect angle in trigonometry. The next quadrant relation. All functions have positive values for angle in quadrant 1. Sine and cosecant have positive values for angle in quadrant 2. Tangent and cotangent have positive values for angle in quadrant 3. Cosine and secant have positive values for angle in quadrant 4. It will help to memorize by learning this word in quadrant 1 until 4. All students take calculus, like in the picture beside. Okay, the next is practice. Sin 30 degree times cos 60 degree plus tan 60 degree equals to. The answer, based on the table of perfect angle in trigonometry, we obtain sin 30 degree times cos 60 degree plus tan 60 degree equals to 1 divided by 2 times 1 divided by 2 plus square root of 3 equals to 1 divided by 4 plus square root of 3. Okay, you can do the exercise. Anyone want to answer? Okay, I will explain the answer. The 5th term of the arithmetic sequence 7, 5, 3, 1 is the answer. Given the arithmetic sequence 7, 5, 3, 1, then we can get u sub 1 equals to A equals to 7 and D equals to 5 minus 7 equals to minus 2. U sub n equals to A plus n minus 1 times D. So u sub 15 equals to 7 plus 15 minus 1 times minus 2 equals to 7 plus 14 times minus 2 equals to 7 plus minus 28 equals to minus 21. So the 15th term of the arithmetic sequence is minus 21. Okay, I think enough. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.